Hey everybody, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of enterprise software. It's more exciting than it sounds, I promise. Imagine a giant company with tons of different systems. You've got your customer database, your inventory management, your online store. They need to talk to each other, right? That's where an enterprise service bus or ESB comes in. Think of it as the ultimate translator and messenger for your business. It's the glue that holds everything together. Without an ESB, it's like trying to run a multi-million-dollar company using carrier pigeons and smoke signals. Not very efficient, right? An ESB lets these systems talk to each other seamlessly, no matter what language they speak. So, what exactly is this magical ESB? It's basically a software architecture. It acts like a central hub for all your different applications to connect and communicate. Instead of having a messy web of point-to-point connections, everything goes through the ESB. This makes it way easier to manage and scale your systems. Think of it like a USB hub for your computer. Instead of having a million different ports for every single device, you plug everything into the hub. Easy peasy. Now, let's talk about the cool features. ESBs can transform data from one format to another. So, your ancient inventory system can easily talk to your shiny new e-commerce platform. They can route messages to the right place. It's like having a super efficient mailroom for your software. Data transformation is another superpower. Need to combine data from different sources? No problem. ESBs can also orchestrate complex business processes. Imagine automating your entire order fulfillment process with just a few clicks. That's the power of an ESB. Let's bring this home with some real-world examples. Imagine a massive online retailer like, say, Amazon. They use an ESB to handle millions of transactions every day. Or think about a global bank processing payments from all over the world. An ESB makes it possible. Basically, any large organization with complex IT needs can benefit from an ESB. It's all about making things run smoother, faster, and more efficiently, and that's what we like to see.